Problem 33, Part E. Construct a box block for this data. To make the box block, we need to have the 5 numbers summary. You can go look at the book. So let me show you the book. This is the how the box block look like. We need to have the min, we need to have the max, and we also need to have Q1, Q2, and Q3. So to construct the box block, we need to have the 5 numbers first. Now go back to our problem. The minimum is 15. The Q1, Q2, Q3 we found in part A and B. They are 19, 21, and 22. The maximum is 39. So first of all, you will draw the line. And then you label the data. So you can do 0, 5, make sure to make them equal distance, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and so on. Then we will block the 5 numbers. Notice that we don't want to put them on the line because it will make complicated for the graph. So we will do on the top. So that will be 15 in here. For the minimum, 19, 21, 22, then 39. So we get the 5 numbers. Q1, Q2, Q3 are here. They're here, right? So we will make the box for them. You draw the line for Q1, Q2, and Q3, and then connect like this. Now we will connect to the minimum and the maximum, but we need to modify our box block. If you just connect like this is the box block that you did not modify. To modify the box block, and we need to do them so, we have to include the outlier, which is in part D, we already answered. We notice that the outlier, they are the bigger number, so they are on the right side. So you can erase this side and keep the connection to the minimum. Now for the outlier, we need to make the point like a star. So we have 39, and then 38, and then 36, and then 31. So we have 4 outliers. So after you exclude those outliers, which is 31, 36, 38, 39, the biggest number that you have is 26, and the 26 is right here. So what do? Is you connect up to 26 only, and you call this is the box block that with the modified. In part F, we want to describe the shape of the distribution. Now we look at the definition in the book. For the first one, you can see that this is the box block for the first one. And we can see that we look at this side, and this is called the whisker. If the whisker is longer on the right side, the distribution is skewed to the right. That means the right tail is longer. For the middle one, you look at this whisker on the left side, it's longer, so that's why it's skewed to the left. The third one, the right side and the left side whisker are the same, so you say approximately symmetric. So in order to know the distribution skewed to the right or skewed to the left or symmetric, we need to compare the whisker for the right side and the whisker for the left hand side. Now we go to our problem. We look at the whisker from the left hand side and whisker from the right hand side. We have to include the outlier also, and you can see that this part is longer. So we will answer that the shape of this distribution is skewed to the right.